Hi viewers, so today I'm going to explain you about a new smart IoT smart relay product. So here you can see there are totally 5 relays inside this product, and this is very useful for many applications like any electrical appliance you can control here. Okay, so not only the electrical appliances, also in case of people who are using GSM pump controllers for irrigation pump sets, they are having some solenoid valves in their farms. So if you want to control the solenoid valves also, you can use this. Okay, so very small loads, small loads you can control. So totally there are 5 relay. So already we have our IoT smart water tank models, controllers, indicators, and GSM IoT based smart controllers, and we have also lined up this smart relay for you. Now let's see how to use the app and other things. So you go to the Play Store and search for Smart Home app, RMG Smart Home. You'll be able to see the app coming on the top here. Just click on that and install. So now I'm opening the app. I'm entering my credentials. Kindly enter your credentials and not the one that I'm entering, because many customers are doing a wrong mistake. Okay, so don't enter my credentials, you have to enter your credentials to log in into the account. So once you enter into, you will go into the app, and then you can see a tab called add device. So you can either enter the credentials given or you can scan directly. So you will be given a QR code here. So I am scanning it. So you will be able to see the device is added in the app. Okay. Now as soon as you turn on the product, you have to configure for Wi-Fi, because as of now we have already configured this. I'll post a small video for how to do the Wi-Fi configuration. As of now the Wi-Fi is configured to my Wi-Fi. Now I am turning on the product. So as soon as you turn on, you'll be able to see the signal blinks. So that means it is searching for the Wi-Fi. Now it is already we have configured, so it is steady now. Now I'm as soon as you receive the product for the first time, you'll be having a tendency to test whether the product is working or not. So for testing purpose, how to do this testing? You download the app, add the device, configure the Wi-Fi, and what you have to do, you have to take a multimeter and keep it in the continuity mode. So here totally you have been given 5 relay: relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, and relay 5. I am taking the probes and I am going to show you the continuity test, whether the relay is working or not. Now in the app you will be able to see the Wi-Fi is connected and the signal is good. Now I am just showing all on. So all on means you will be able to see the indications turning green. So all relay is in NC condition. So you will be able to hear the beep sound. Little down. So you will be able to see the beep sound, which means the relay inside has become NC. So if you want to test whether the product is okay or not okay, do this kind of testing. Okay, so now I'm just going to turn off relay 1. So you can see the app, it has turned and the beep sound also stopped. Similarly, okay, now I'm again turning on. So any electrical gadgets you can use with small loads. In the description we will give you the amps rating and everything. So such a wonderful product. So if you have any requirements, you can place the order from our website, and the website link also will be given in the descriptions. Okay, so please do order this, and it's so wonderful, and you have to enjoy this automation. Thank you one and all.